Samsung Washing Machine 4E1 Error Code Troubleshooting Guide Solution. Water temperature problem. Switch off the appliance and wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, switch on the appliance, start new program. If shows this error again, check water pressure. If the water pressure okay, check inlet valve filter. Filter may be blocked and choked. If the filter clean, check inlet valve resistance. If resistance not okay, replace the inlet valve. If the resistance okay, check 220 voltage on inlet valve connector. If the voltage not coming on inlet valve connector, replace the harness and PCB.